Here's my summer-proof wedding makeup look. Starting off by hydrating my lips, and I'm using Aloe Mercier's Lip Balm. Look at that, super good. So you guys know that skincare is key, so we're gonna start by hydrating our skin. I'm gonna start off by using the Herbal Dynamics Rose Water Calming. I have been loving the Iredale BeautyPrep Moisturizer. Look at that. You just squeeze it at the top and it comes right out. So I'm going to be using this concealer from Too Faced in light beige as a foundation. Want to pat your foundation, never drag it. Always make sure to pat it so it can look really nice and airbrush. I'm going to use this ankle brush and just apply it as a concealer and always pat it. Also, I'm going to bring it up on my lid to color correct. I'm going to cream contour because I feel like it leaves you such a glowy natural look. I am going to be using the Avon Magic Wand, and this is a foundation, but we can multi-use. And always blend again everything with your makeup brush. I'm taking my Laura Mercier Loose Translucent Powder, taking Sigma's Matte Bronzer in Deep. I'm going to bring color back to my face. Taking the new blush from Benefit Cosmetics in Shellie. It's so freaking cute, but look at that. It brings back color to your face. You look more alive. For the eyes, I'm going to be applying some tape. For the shadows, I'm going to be using Urban Decay's Naked Half Baked Eyeshadow Palette. I'm applying Buck Off on my lid. Just swiping motion and making sure I touch the tape. Now I'm applying Edible on my lash line, bringing it outwards and also inwards. With a pencil brush, I'm just going to smoke that out. With my ring finger, I'm going to apply a little bit of Half Bake on my lid and just patting it. With a pencil brush, I'm going to be applying Buck Off and Edible on my lower lash line. My favorite mascara right now is the Lancome Grandiose. I think that's how you say it. Grandiose mascara. It has like a little flower at the top. We are almost done. I'm gonna apply my favorite lip liner, which is, look at how little. It is by Makeup Forever in Caffeine Anywhere. Girl, I need another one. I like to always overline the top and the bottom. I am just going to color in the inner corners of my lips. Okay, now, so if you want your lips to look nice, juicy, and more bigger, Too Faced lip injections are the way to go. This thing works. If you feel it tingling, it's because it's working. So I'm gonna be using Cotton Candy Kisses. So now to set my makeup, I am using the Wet n Wild Fight Dirty Detox Setting Spray. And now with the brush, I'm going to go again with my Laura Mercier Loose Powder. And I'm just going to press it on my skin since it's still a little bit wet. And this will help to lock in the makeup a bit more. There you guys have the final look. I hope you guys love it. And for more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button, like this video, and share it with your friends.